With Lyoness, Lyconet, Myworld now declared to be a pyramid scheme in a number of different countries and a long list of some 500 plus incontrovertible judgments, which includes the most recent decisions of the Supreme Court of Vienna, Lyoness, Lyconet, Myworld is placed in an untenable position. BE Conflikt Management is now moving forward to commence its class action lawsuit on behalf of the members we currently represent. With the foundation of BE Conflikt Management EWIV, a European economic interest grouping was created. BE Conflikt Management EWIV offers companies of any legal form, including freelancers, associations, or public corporations, as well as their clients. In our case, the clients of BE Conflikt Management Incorporated, the possibility of a cross-border cooperation in Europe, and as a supranational European corporate form, facilitates a cooperation between companies and members of independent professions in the European community. BE Conflikt Management EWIV has its seat in Vienna, Austria, which is a member state of the European Economic Area and is registered in the Commercial Register. The founding members of BE Conflikt Management EWIV have their seats in Ireland and Austria and therefore meet the legal requirements of a European economic interest grouping. BE Conflikt Management EWIV merely fulfills an auxiliary function on behalf of BE Conflikt Management Limited and does not carry out a trade or independent profession of its own. In addition, BE Conflikt Management EWIV is not profit-oriented but represents the interests of BE Conflikt Management Limited and its associated members. BE Administrative GmbH facilitates, organises and manages the cross-border economic activities of the above-mentioned members. BE Conflikt Management EWIV does not constitute a separate legal person, but mostly, like in our case, it is assimilated to a legal entity. It has rights and obligations as well as the power to enter into agreements in its own name. Furthermore, BE Conflikt Management EWIV can act as a legal party within the framework of a legal dispute, including as a plaintiff. Normally, the members of a European economic interest grouping must have their seat in the European Union. In the case of BE Conflikt Management EWIV, however, without exception, all clients and their rights can be represented by BE Conflikt Management Limited via an association with BE Conflikt Management Incorporated. The advantage of BE Conflikt Management EWIV for you as a client is the legal stability. It is based on the autonomous legal capacity and the related reliability of the legal form. It acts as a collective body, has the power of representation, and is authorised to negotiate. Third parties, including authorities, no longer have to coordinate a large number of damaged parties, i.e., our client groups, but only negotiate with a single entity, BE Conflikt Management EWIV. Additionally, as an alternative, we can act target-oriented as a legal entity in each country in which our clients operate. Therefore, we have laid the perfect foundation for a class action lawsuit. With the formation of the European Economic Interest Grouping in April of 2022 at the Notary in Vienna, the European Economic Interest Grouping will be registered at the beginning of May. With BE Conflikt Management EWIV, we are conducting court proceedings on behalf of all clients and publicly. Existing customers will continue to be paid out as usual, But since we build up enormous pressure with the European Economic Interest Grouping, we expect that claims will certainly be paid out more quickly. We plan to file the class action lawsuit in August of 2022. BE Conflikt Management can accept new clients until the filing of the lawsuit in August. In the lead up to the upcoming lawsuit, we will be working to assist members to ensure that all members have the opportunity to have claims lodged in time to be included in the class action. Once the class action is commenced, we will be governed by the rules and timelines as set down by the court. It is too early for us to speculate apropos to the directions and/or duration. I commend the work that has been carried out by Ben Ecker, our CEO, and the lawyers working with us, particularly being able to reach out-of-court settlement for a large number of cases, which is not general practice when compiling clients for a class action lawsuit. The lawsuit being brought against Lyoness, Lyconet, Myworld is much larger than any individual claim, and settlements have not been esoteric. Lyoness, Lyconet, Myworld has shamelessly taken advantage of the pandemic, delaying any decisions through extended lawsuits and constantly extending court-appointed deadlines. We appreciate your patience. It is unfortunate that our process has been delayed as we have been subjected to the pandemic restrictions. Members that wish to lodge claims should contact BE Conflikt Management as a matter of urgency to have claims constructed, prepared and lodged in time to be included in the lawsuit. We will continue to provide updated information as we proceed accordingly.